Jireev is Mr. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn how to say water in Irish. Uisce, uisce, water. Repeat after me. Uisce. Let's now ask for a glass of water. Bawahlam glin-eh uisce. Repeat after me. Bawahlam glin-eh uisce. Bawahlam glin-eh uisce. And if you're more into sparkling water, the Irish for that is uisce súilíneach. Repeat after me. Uisce súilíneach. Uisce súilíneach. Did you know that you can get a 21-day free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic? That's right, just go to www.bitesize.irish and sign up today.